in this video, see up here? See, that's an airplane. It's an airliner. And it's coming in for a landing at Philadelphia International Airport. It'll land in about, we're about, I don't know, 5-6 miles from Philadelphia International Airport. And right behind it is another airplane. Now, you can see it. Okay, so that one's going. You can't see that. You can see that one. See it? And sometimes there is just like a line of airplanes. Okay, so so how far would you say this plane is from that plane? I mean it's, what, 3 miles? So they're coming in for a landing. Their wheels might be down. It depends. We're not that close. I mean, if we were a few miles. Now, right behind it, there's another one. See the other? See that? Just pulled up. Just became visible. See it right there. There's another one. So I'm just gonna hang here for a few minutes. Let me see if another one shows up. Let's see. Well, yeah. See, now there's another one. See, we are now looking at 3 planes in a row. Oh, where's my finger? Where's the camera? Right there. 1, 2, and there's a 3rd plane. And there'll probably be another one. And this just goes on. This goes on. Sometimes, I don't know. It depends on how the wind is blowing. But the wind is usually blowing from the west. And these planes are going, well, from east to west, right? You're looking, where those planes are, that's where the sun comes up. That's the east. At least that's where the sun comes up in the summer. In the winter, it comes up over there. So we've got 2 planes. Let's see if another plane shows up. Like, this goes on for, I mean, I don't spend, hours sitting here looking at them. Let's see if another plane shows up. Let's just see if another plane arrives on the scene. So what time is it? I don't know, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. What is today? Today's Saturday, March 30th? 30 days has September, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. So this is March, so it's 31 days. So this is March the 30th, if I'm not mistaken. Like 7:30 or so, thereabouts, 7 p.m. Okay, so we've got that plane there all by himself. Let's see if another plane pulls into view. Like I said, sometimes this goes on. So they're going to Philly International. Where do they put all those planes? I went to the airport, I don't know, 6 months ago. I just wanted to, I haven't been there for like 50 years. I just wanted to go and, look at the restaurants and that sort of thing. But I wasn't allowed in because I don't have a ticket. You have to have a scheduled flight, basically. Or you have to, you just can't go down there and hang out. Like I know that there are people who just, they like watching the planes. And they're very familiar with the planes, actually. There's a word for them. Well, now, I see another plane in the back just pulled in. Now, it's harder to see on the, I can't see it on my viewfinder here, but I can see it in real life. It'll show up. But so another plane has appeared on the scene. Yeah, can you now you can see it. I can see it in the back there. Where is it? There. See, my finger's covering it. Okay, well, it's coming now. That guy's leaving, and this guy is coming in, landing. They'll be landing in, I guess, 5 minutes or so. So these guys are going, what, 200 miles an hour, would you say? So it's like 60 miles an hour is a mile a minute. So if they're going 200, that's like 3 miles a minute. So that means, they're like a couple minutes from landing. And so there's a couple minutes. And you can see the plane pretty easily now. So I'm using the iPad camera. It's not the best camera. iPad mini camera, this is not the best camera in the world. Okay, so we got that guy. Let's see if another guy pulls in. 200 miles an hour, thereabouts, 3 miles a minute. Yeah. Maybe it doesn't look like they're going 200 miles an hour. Look like they're going 50. Yeah, now, okay, another guy came in. Can you see him in the back? Can you see him? Another guy just pulled in. So we've got 2 planes. Got 2 planes coming in for a landing. So like the plane lands, and then a minute later another plane lands. I guess they know what they're doing. Seems, kind of sketchy to me, but what do I know? All right, so we got this guy coming in. We're landing. So, how long do you want me to stand here and watch the planes come in? Now, this isn't, 2 in the afternoon, 3 in the afternoon. It's an evening this happened, at least from my point. There are planes landing all the time, but just not with this frequency. There's another guy in the back there. You see him? I don't think you can see him. Maybe you can't. Yeah, you can. I can see him on the screen. Yeah, there he is. Here's another guy coming in for a landing. There's probably a word to describe this phenomena. So these guys are in for a landing, I don't know. You used to hear about the planes circling the airport before they landed. I don't know. Seems like there's no circling. There they are. Should we wait to see if there's one more plane behind that guy in the back there as he speeds along at 200 miles an hour or thereabouts? Now, 2 weeks ago, I was in Gloucester, New Jersey, and planes were flying. Now, from that point of view, they're like a mile from Philly, from the airport, maybe yeah, I'd say a mile, maybe a mile and a half from the airport. And the planes, for the most, not all of them, but the planes are pretty low and they've all got their gear down. Now, I noticed some planes weren't like super low. What does that mean? Were they circling? I don't know. There were some planes that were not super low. They were pretty low, but just, maybe they were twice as high. But there were planes coming in. It was obvious for a landing. They were maybe, I don't know, 1,000 feet high. That's not too high. Maybe 1,500 feet high. The wheels were down. They were obviously, and the airport's only, where is that plane? Oh, there it is. The airport's only. So, I don't see any planes behind him. Or do I? Yeah, there's one. There it is. There's one. See it in the back? Wait a bit. Sort of coming in from the right. See? See? And actually, I think you're supposed to refer to planes as she. Aren't you? I mean, I think you are. She's coming in for a landing. I think you are supposed to refer to planes as she. And I said boats. You refer to boats as she, I believe. I wonder why that is. Oh boy, so. Alright, so now he looks like, well. Oh, I said, she's coming. I don't know. There she blows. So there's another one. See it back there? See back? Like coming around from right in the middle of the frame. Lights are blinking. See? Here comes another one. Comes another one. Another one. So when we first started, we had 3 planes in the frame. So, because now we've got, one. One guy just went out of the frame. One plane just went out of the frame. And we've got this plane. Just one. Let's see. Have you seen enough? If you ever made a video, and you put it up on YouTube, you can tell how many people are watching approximately at any particular time. And basically, it's a downward line. I mean, every single video, it's a downward line. And pretty much by the end, just about nobody's watching. I wonder, well, so that's it for now. It's one plane in the air that I can see. Are there any more? Is that it? Is that it? All right, there he goes. He just disappeared. I guess that's it for now. I don't see any more planes. I hate to admit it. Means I gotta shut down the video. No point standing here just looking at it. Oh, wait, there it is. There's one. Or is it? No, I thought I saw it behind. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I don't think you can see it on the frame here. I'm almost positive you can, because I can barely see it. There's one. There's one. See it? And I think I saw even another one. Let's go over to the right there. Okay, so there's another one just showed up. There's another one that just showed up. Just showed up. think I read we're supposed to be getting some rain. It looks like it's raining, ladies and gentlemen. It's raining. I didn't realize it's raining. I thought, if I know they were predicting some showers later on. You see if you can. I don't know. Can you? Yeah, you can. You can see. You can see the rain and the light. Yeah, they were saying we're supposed to get showers. I didn't. But when I looked out and I saw the planes, I figured skies were clear. So it's raining. Fairly hard. I mean, it's not. What are we doing here? Yeah, I don't want to zoom. Okay, so that guy's gone. That plane's gone. Yes, it is raining. They said we were supposed to get rain. Now tomorrow, supposed to be nice tomorrow. I don't know. That's what I heard. Okay, see, yeah, back there. There it is. Yeah. See it? Where is my finger? Where? See? Right there. I'm debating whether I should get the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can't really afford it. But I could make a really good video. A lot better. I don't know if the video quality is that much better. I don't know if it's. I mean, if I was rich, I'd just buy it. But since I'm not rich, I have to give it a lot of thought. I'm waiting for the 16 because there's supposed to be some button which makes it real easy to make videos. Boy, it was just 17 minutes. Boy, who's gonna watch all 17 minutes of this video? Nobody. Okay, so now we've got that plane. Are there any? I don't see any other planes. I don't see any other planes. Or do I? Yeah, so it's raining. That means there are clouds up there. Now, the clouds apparently aren't low enough to prevent me seeing the planes. Now, actually, I thought I saw some lightning actually out of the corner of my eye. Like a few minutes ago, actually. But that's what made me wonder, is it raining? Because like I said, they predicted showers later. Because it's been sunny all day. And see, here comes the plane. See? I think. Yeah, see? There it is. There's one. It's behind that tree. You see the light flashing? See that? Behind it, right in the middle of the frame. So he's going to be coming in for a landing. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Can you say it? Yes, it is. It's coming in for a landing. But maybe, maybe you shouldn't call it because there are many souls on board. You see? That's maybe, why they refer to it as she, or at least they humanize it. They don't just call it. They don't call it. Okay, it. And there's another one. There's another one in the back there coming up. See? So now there are two planes in the frame. Can you see that? Okay, so one plane just flew out of the frame, and now there's another plane in the frame. rain in Spain is mainly on the plane. I don't know what that has to do with anything. It just sort of popped into my head. Well, yeah, this is something, I mean, I don't usually stand here and watch the planes. Sometimes I sit out on the porch and watch them, but I don't usually stand here. Yeah, so it's, like I said, March 30th, I believe. I believe tomorrow's the 31st. And, you know, it's still kind of chilly. It's, you know, it's chilly. I'd say temperatures in the 40s. 50 maybe. I mean, there's a thermometer out there. I don't really want to go and check it out. All right, so we got that plane over there. Oh, and there's another one. See it? That's another plane. So now we have two planes in the frame. I've got two planes in the frame. Yes, 21 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh boy, this will take a million years to upload. All right, so one just flew out of the frame, and we just have one plane in the frame. There's another one. See it? Where is it? No, it went behind the trees, but it'll be out. It'll be coming around. If it's behind the tree, I can't see it either. But there's one, you see it over there. Where's my finger, see? It's over there. And there's one, see it? Behind the tree. So you can see it through the branches. Yeah, it's coming, there it is, see? I don't know if you can see it, I can see it. I can see it. No, yeah, see it. I can see it. Yeah, see it in the frame? It's right in the middle of the frame. Another plane coming around the bend. There, it's easy to see. Well, have I wasted enough of your time? I've been meaning to make a video like this. It's just a question of doing it. But it's not every day. It's not, you know, it's not like this every... Now, tomorrow's Easter, so that might have something to do with it. People are flying in, possibly. But I mean, this is not that unusual. But it's not always the case that we have, you know. But it's not that unusual, you know, several times. I don't really understand why one... See, there's another one. There's another one back there. I just saw it. You can't see it, but I can. There it is. So we got that one over there. Where is it? Or is it the second one? So we got one on the left over there. We got one. It'll be appearing momentarily. I can't. There it is. I saw it. I saw it blinking. But yeah. There. This plane's moving really pretty slow. Where's that other plane? Where's the other plane? You know, I was thinking, you know, you know, it seemed like in the old days, see, there it is, you can see it now. So now there's two planes in the frame, pretty easy to see. One's back there. Yeah, so these are airliners. A lot of American airline planes come here. I see American Airlines. What else do I see? Every once in a while I see a Kuwait plane. I think they're from Kuwait. forget the name of it. What else? A lot of, like FedEx, you get a lot of FedEx planes, a lot of UPS planes. For some reason, they seem to fly lower than planes with people in them. Well, you know, passengers at least. Like a UPS train, for it's FedEx. Yeah, you know, what do they have? Like a crew of 5? I mean, 3 people, I guess. That's all you need. I thought flies an airliner with passengers. Okay, another guy from. You see it? Right in the middle of the frame. Blinking. Light blinking. Another guy. So here I've been. This has been. I've been standing here for 26 minutes doing this. Narrating this video. 26 minutes. All right, so now that guy, one plane just went behind the building here, and we got one plane in the frame. I just saw another one. Where did I see that? Or was it something else? Or was it something else? Maybe it was something else. Now, if this was summer, I might be standing out there. And maybe, you know, so I'm inside right now. Wait. Yes, I am. I am inside. So this, I can see like the reflection of some lights I have. Yeah, if I was outside, it'd be a little noisier. A lot noisier. Should I open this? Here we go. Looks like there's a bug. Yeah, on the now, it's pretty. It's not that bad. It's not that cold. It's not that cold. But yeah, you can hear the plane. Yeah, it's not that. What's the temperature, folks? What's the temperature? Why is it? I want to focus on the thermometer. So it's up near 60. It's not that bad. Not that bad. It's not that cold out. It's not windy. And it looks like it might have stopped raining. I'm looking just right, looking at the lights. Yeah, see, yeah, they said showers, so I don't see any rain. No, I don't. No, I don't. So, I'll tell you one thing. One thing about staying inside is if I drop it inside, it'll land on the carpet. There's no carpet out here, just cement. I don't want to drop it on cement. Carpeting, I've dropped it several times on the carpet, not from a very high height, a few times. So here comes another plane. Coming around the bend. Boy, this is like a 30-minute video. Holy mackerel, nobody's gonna watch this. Okay, so now there's two planes in the frame. Can you see it? Now there's one plane coming in from the left. Plane coming in from the left. Well, boy, I didn't think I'd be, when I started this video, I didn't think I'd be standing here for 30 minutes. No, I did not. No, it did not. But it's been a fast 30 minutes, hasn't it? It is. So what time is it now? Let's go over here. See what time it is. 8:07. Right? 8:07. 8:07 o'clock. p.m. March the 30th, if I'm not mistaken. There we have one plane in the frame. Okay, so I guess I'll be. It's another plane, see it? Yeah. Yeah. See it? See it? I must have. I kind of like hit the cat. Alright, well. All good things must come to an end. So I guess I'll be turning my camera off very shortly. My camera, yeah, you can see that plane. Right? You can see that plane. Can you hear it? I mean, I can hear it. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can. Yeah. Okay, so there it is. One. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Stand here for an hour till the planes stop coming? I mean, the planes. There are planes landing all times of the day and night, but you know, but not like this. Not like this. I mean, and I mean all times of the day. I mean in the morning, 24 hours a day. Planes are now in like very early in the morning. Sometimes you see planes, you know, like they're. But we're looking northwest. The North Star is up there, so we're looking northwest, basically. So if a plane is like, you know, way up in the sky there, he's probably going. Oh, he's heading towards New York. Now, whether he's going to land in New York, I don't know. But there are planes like way up. And matter of fact, that I've heard that. I mean, you look up in the sky and like you don't see anything, but there are planes up there. You just can't see them. There's planes all over the place. Can you hear it? Hear them coming in. Well, it's 33 and a half minutes. Okay. Time flies when you're having fun, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, I don't see any planes. But it doesn't mean one won't pop up any second.